Want to start building React Native apps? In this video, I'll show you how to install React Native with Expo and run your first app on both the web and your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for React Native. Open the official React Native website, then click Get Started. This is the official documentation where you'll find everything you need to build React Native applications. Now, under Frameworks, select Expo. Expo is the easiest way to get started with React Native because it handles most of the setup for you. Once you're on the Expo website, click the Docs tab at the top. Scroll down until you find the command for creating a new Expo project. Then copy it. Now, open the folder where you want to create your project. In my case, it's the React Native folder. Open Command Prompt inside this folder. Paste the command you copied and press Enter. When Expo asks for a project name, type My App and press Enter. Next, choose SDK54. Expo will now download and install everything required for your project. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, open the newly created My App folder in Visual Studio Code.
Now it's time to start the development server. Open the terminal inside VS Code and run npx expo start. A few seconds later, Expo will start the development server and generate a QR code. Let's run the app in the browser first. Hold the Control key and right-click inside the terminal. Then select Open in Browser. Your default browser will launch automatically, and you'll see the default Expo application running successfully. Now let's run the same application on an Android phone. Open the Google Play Store and install the Expo Go app. Before continuing, make sure your computer and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Expo Go, tap Scan QR Code, and scan the QR code shown in your terminal. Within a few seconds, your React Native application will open on your phone. One of the best things about Expo is fast refresh. Every time you save your code, the changes appear almost instantly on both your browser and your phone, so you don't have to rebuild or reinstall the app each time. If your phone isn't able to connect, don't worry. In the Expo terminal, press S to switch the connection mode, then choose Tunnel. Tunnel mode usually solves most network connection problems. And that's it! You've successfully created your first React Native project with Expo and learned how to run it on both the web and your Android device using Expo Go. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video.